Is out there though. 70 degrees in Jefferson, 75 in North Wilkesboro, 78 in Pilot Mountain at this hour. We've got these wonderful upper 70s from Cotton Grove at 79, Denton, you're at 78 degrees right now, and we've got temps sitting in Louisville at 78 degrees as well. So a really pleasant afternoon. We've got the low humidity, the dry air still in place. The winds right now are calm, but generally speaking, they're going to be out of the east-northeast as we go throughout the day. And we're seeing that pick up a little bit 5 to 10 across parts of Greensboro. 77 now, 80 degrees at least in spots. We might even see about 82 degrees here and there, and we've got 72 around 7 o'clock this evening. So fewer clouds filling in for us at this hour. It's going to take a little while to get some of that moisture from the Atlantic and also the tropical moisture. It looks like late tomorrow before we begin to see more the thickening of the clouds. Those shower chances also holding off until then for many folks in the mountains. You've got 75 degrees in the foothills right now in North Wilkesboro, Mount Airy, to 79 this afternoon and 50s overnight. So the clouds do help to keep us a little bit more mild by tomorrow morning. 72 today in the mountains. You've got those showers starting to spin in closer to the coast. We've also got storm surge concerns, Category 1 right now, but Francine may become a Category 2 within the next few hours just before landfall. So we're monitoring the system. You see most of that moisture is down to our south. It continues on a track to the northeast at 13 miles an hour with more of a northerly turn expected as it's going to move around that ridge of high pressure that's in control of our weather. So that ridge really helping to steer it up toward areas like Memphis and Nashville. But it has been a little bit farther east today comparatively to yesterday. Winds sustained at 90 miles an hour, looking at a Category 2 likely just before landfall, and so strengthening continues. And we'll have more for you as we see the system throughout the afternoon continue to wrap close to the Louisiana coastline. Lots of wind with that for folks right at the center of the storm. So far, we have not seen the winds that we would expect at this point, but they're getting closer. And this is still 140 miles southwest of Morgan City, Louisiana at this point, but you can see the gusts starting to pick up also out toward Mobile. Wave heights also impressive, so we're going to see a lot of water rushing in with that storm surge. 28-foot waves at the center of Hurricane Francine right now, 6-foot waves to the east. We'll continue to look at this system moving inland throughout the afternoon. Category 1 expected to Category 2 at landfall. It then loses its intensity once it's moving inland. By tomorrow morning, we expect it to be dropped down to a tropical storm. And then remnant moisture continues to lift north. Some of it moves east, but not a whole lot our way. That ridge is really a blocking focus and feature for our forecast. You see the heavier rainfall expected to our west. Even Atlanta may benefit from more of the showers and even isolated thunderstorms from that system. We're going to see some light rain if we're lucky to get rainfall totals on the ground. It could be the nuisance kind of rain and misty weather. All right, quickly, we want to talk about Tropical Depression 7. This is formed today off the coast of Africa, south and west of, west of the Cape Verde Islands. You can see the system is expected to track west as well over the next several days. So sustained winds with 35 miles an hour. Movement is to the west-northwest at 18 miles an hour. That current track has it by Saturday north of the Windward Islands and getting closer to the Lesser Antilles, but still on a track that takes it north of Puerto Rico and north of the islands there, but may be impactful for folks in Bahamas, if not the United States later. So we've got 3 systems out there right now. We've got Tropical Depression 7, we've got 92L here, and 94L, which has just formed. These are invest features, so those are another areas that may also form into tropical depressions. We'll be watching all of these for a westerly movement. 94 is the closest one to the Windward Islands at this point, so we'll be keeping focus on that, and so far looking to track as we go north through the Bahamas and potentially along the east coast of the United States. So a lot happening now in the eastern tropics, and for us, we'll talk about those cloudy conditions, that easterly breeze that forms for the weekend, bringing in cooler temperatures potentially and very light rainfall if we see much at all, 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch.
Thank you for our